With the modern approaches and the techniques nowadays that we have, we can save most of the tooth and we can give one more chance, one more hope for a badly destroyed tooth. Okay, it's Dr. Mustafa from Erbil. My practice is limited to endodontic and restorative dentistry. I'm a board member of Tomorrow Tooth group. And today I'm here in Upgrade Congress, feeling very excited to join here for the first time. We had 2 lectures and on one of the most important topics in restorative dentistry, which is how to restore endodontically treated tooth with subgingival margins. And we also covered matrixing game in everyday practice. In dentistry, one of the overlooked topic is matrixing. Everyone is taking care about occlusal anatomies, but in fact, what the patient is caring the most is to eat on a tooth that they have painless and without any food impaction. So the matrixing can solve this issue for us. The most important factor to consider while restoring endodontically treated tooth is the Ferrule Effect, because this is the tooth structure that can tell us how long and how lost the tooth can stay in the patient's mouth. All our folks should be engineered that part of the tooth. The Bioclear products, they offer different sizes with a different curvature of the matrices and the wedges. With a combination of them, you can manage many cases in everyday practice by getting a tight contact and wider contact. And this is cheap to have during your class 2 restorations. With the modern approaches and the techniques nowadays that we have, we can save most of the tooth and we can give one more chance, one more hope for a badly destroyed tooth. This is the first take-home message. And for the matrixing topic, I can say the most important part when we are restoring class 2 restorations is the contact point and not the occlusal anatomy. I was very surprised with the organization and the community here. Very beautiful city, and the Congress looks amazing. It was my first time, and hopefully it will be not the last time to meet you again.